Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hayle Santella and today we're going to be doing a good old-fashioned ERIN CONDREN unboxing video. So I just got this box in the mail a couple of days ago, and real quick, I just want to give a huge thank you to ERIN CONDREN for sending me the goodies inside this box so that I can share them with you. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so right off the bat, it looks like we have a little clutch right here. It says, "She designed a life that she loved." And this is a little pouch that they've had on their website for quite some time. So I'm actually not sure if you can still get this. It is a pretty teal color and it's got a teal inside as well with some gold accents. I'm really excited to use this. I absolutely love their pouches. They're super handy to use, not only just for planning items, but I love to use these to hold all of my electronics as well. Okay, so now we're starting to get into some new goodies that they have. They just released this marker packet and it is called, or the shade is Forest. So this has 6 shades in it, and let's see what's in the back. We've got Pine, Emerald, Aloe, Kelly Green, Seafoam, and Teal. So this is a brand new color pack of their dual tipped markers. I absolutely love these guys. I have pretty much all of them on my desk all the time so I can pick whatever color I want to use, but I'm so excited that they came out with another set. They're just kind of fun to have. So if you love green, then this is a pack of markers that you might want to get. Next up, they came out with a sticky note collection from their Focus collection. So we've got a dot grid, a lined, and then a blank sticky note. And they all have tabs on them so that you can kind of hang them off the page of your notebooks or in your planner. That way, if there's something that you want to mark or keep track of, you can easily use these. And they are called the tabbed sticky notes. There's 3 different pads and they each have 20 sticky notes each. So I'm excited to use these. These would be really helpful if I was still in school, and I would definitely be using them every day if that was the case. Next up, I snagged 2 of their magnetic page markers. I know that they are no longer making these, or at least I'm assuming that they're no longer making these, just because they now only have, I think, maybe 1 or 2 colors left. So I grabbed them while I still could, but these are so handy to, again, mark your page or mark a page in your planner or anything like that. So I absolutely love these. And again, I have them in a wide variety, so I was glad that I was able to snag the last couple of colors that they had left. Next up, we have their Productivity Washi Tape Duo, and I grabbed 2 of these, and I'm glad that I grabbed them because I'm pretty sure they're out of stock already. They went really fast. What they are is 2 little things of washi tape, and on one side they have timestamps, and on the other they have little bullet circles. So you can go ahead and make productivity checklists with them, and these actually will be super helpful inside my daily petite planner. I use that every single day to kind of like draft out what my day is going to look like before I put it in my life planner. But they don't have any timestamps in them, so this will be really helpful when it comes to organizing my daily petite planner. Hopefully they come back in stock really soon. Next up, now this is the thing that I was most excited about sharing with you guys. They just released their new coiled notebook. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 of them. And they came out with new covers as well, so I went ahead and picked new covers. With this one over here, I went ahead and grabbed a gold coil. So I really like the way the gold coil matches with this cover. Now we're gonna go ahead and open these notebooks up. With this first one, I went ahead and just got the classic lined notebook. So it's just lined pages throughout. And I believe that the thing that they changed about these notebooks is that they added extra pages. So they're a little thicker than they used to be, which I prefer just because I felt like the notebooks were always pretty thin. But I like that they've added a little bit of thickness to them now. So there's a little bit more pages there for you to use. Again, I absolutely love the cover. It's gorgeous. But now that we've gone through the lined notebook, I'm excited to go through this one, and that's because it's a brand new layout that they haven't had before. So as you guys know, they have lined, they have dot grid, they have their productivity layout that has a little check list on the side of the pages. This is their sketchbook. So it's completely blank pages, and again, it has the same high quality paper that you'll find in all of their notebooks and planners. So I'm really excited to use this as a sketchbook. You guys might not know, but I am pretty into drawing and sketching and illustration, so I'm really excited to go ahead and use this and to have a pretty cover on the front as well. A lot of times when you get a sketchbook, they're just kind of like the plain green or black or blue art drawing sketchbook kind of covers. This makes it a little bit more fun to have around and have sitting on top of my desk. Okay, so those were the quill notebooks. The last thing I have in here is their metallic rose gold schedule pad. And the reason that this came in my order is because when I placed my order, they were doing free goodies based on how much money you were spending on the website. So this was the goodie that I was able to get. I already do own this. I use it at work a lot, and it helps me organize like the different tasks that I have throughout the week. And if anything pops up, it has this to-do list on the side as well. So I absolutely love this notepad. If you guys are interested in getting something like this for work, let me tell you, it's super helpful and I highly recommend it. But that's just another thing that you can use throughout the day to keep you organized. Real quick, I do want to mention ERIN CONDREN is coming out with something brand new and exciting on Tuesday, February 25th, so that's tomorrow, guys. Make sure to go check out the website. I'm not at liberty to say exactly what it is, but I know you guys are going to love it, so make sure to mark it in your calendars to go visit the website tomorrow and check out what they're releasing. But other than that, again, thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it with others that might be interested in watching it as well, as it helps support my channel. And other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.